And so the building work is beginning on my patio. There's a guy delivering the builder's sand and stuff, I think. It'd be funny if these sink into the pavement because the tarmac started melting on the road. And then out here, Andy and Marek got all the work stuff here. Andy, as usual, working very hard as you can see.
Very hard.
Very, very hard. Leaving Marek to do all the poor work. Marek does all the work, Andy just sits there and looks like he's in charge. And this is where the patio is going to be. And of course I've got the slabs there, which are going to fill in this gap. So, actually Toby's in charge, but no surprise there. All right, Susie. Yeah. More to follow. Whee! Isn't this exciting? Look, I'm getting a new wall put in, just of builder's sand and cement. Again, Andy is supervising. Oh, those bags are so strong. Clever stuff. Why they couldn't do that when they delivered the hardcore and just dumped it on the pavement instead is beyond me. So, there we go. I'm going for a ride on that later, I think. There shall be more to see later. Bye bye. And now the driver's back again with the cement that he dropped off to the wrong place to start with. Ha ha, it's all good fun.